Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Corner. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make this adorable crochet bow keychain step by step. So grab your yarn and crochet hook, and let's get started. For this project, I'm using pink color yarn, 3mm hook, keychain, and scissors. First, make a slip knot. And make chains according to the lengths you want for keychain. I'm making 100 chains. After making the chains, place chains like I'm showing in the video, so you can measure how big bow's gonna be. And then slip stitch into first chain, and repeat the same process entire chains. Few more left, let's complete it. After completing the last stitch, chain one and cut the yarn, and fasten off. After completing your chain, looks like this. Now we have to tie our bow, placed like this I'm showing in the video. And insert the keychain into the yarn and place on bow, and tie a knot to secure bow. And that's our crochet bow keychain complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Crochet Corner for more crochet tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!